Hey guys, Mrs. DeWitt here. Welcome back to school. Starting things out a little bit different. I so wish you guys were here. Welcome to my new sixth graders. I teach keyboarding, office productivity, and computer science. So welcome back to my seventh and eighth graders that signed up again. I look forward to catching up with you guys, and I look forward to getting to know all my sixth graders. This year we're going to be using Canvas instead of Google Classroom. So if you know how to log into your Rapid Identity to check your PowerSchool, you're going to be using Canvas. Here, look for an email Monday. I'll be sending a link for our Google Meets. It's also listed on the syllabus for the code there. And I will be sending out a recorded video also explaining how to access Rapid Identity. And please reach out if you've never signed in before, and I will email you your username and password. If not, then you should know how to log in, especially 7th and 8th grade. You should know how to log into Rapid Identity to check your grades. So it's the same concept of that, except for we're just going to go to Canvas instead. This is where everything will be, all submissions, any assignments, quizzes, discussion posts, any videos I post, everything will be located in Canvas. And always check your email, so look for an email from me, and I will help you out the best that I can. And I look forward to getting to know everybody and having a lot of fun.